The 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag, bucket seats, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.